Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11 for free. Let's get started. First, open the Windows 11 download page on the Microsoft website. Scroll down until you find the Windows 11 download section. Click on the drop-down menu, select Windows 11, and then click the download button. On the next page, select your preferred language from the drop-down menu, then click on the Confirm button. Now, click on the 64-bit download button to download the Windows 11 ISO file to your PC. The ISO file is quite large, so the download time will depend on your internet connection. Make sure you have enough free storage space on your computer before downloading it. Once the download is complete, open the ISO file from your Downloads folder. Double-click the ISO file, and Windows will automatically mount it as a DVD drive in this PC. If it doesn't open automatically, simply go to this PC and click on the newly created DVD drive. Open the DVD drive and click Yes if Windows asks for permission to make changes to your PC. Wait a few moments while Windows prepares the installation files. The setup window will now appear on your screen. Follow the on-screen instructions until the setup is ready. Now we'll move to the second phase. Return to the mounted DVD drive and copy all the files inside it. Make sure every file and folder is selected before copying. Depending on your computer, copying these files may take a few minutes. Once the files are copied, click on this PC from the left panel and open the C drive. Create a new folder named Win11. Open the Win11 folder and paste all the copied files into it. Wait until the copying process finishes completely before moving to the next step. After all the files have been copied successfully, close the folder. Now, open Command Prompt as an administrator. To do this, search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar, right-click it, and select Run as administrator. If the User Account Control window appears, click Yes. In the Command Prompt window, paste the command shown in the video description. Make sure you copy the command exactly as shown without changing anything. Even a small typing mistake can prevent the command from working properly. After pasting command, press Enter to execute it. Windows will now start preparing your computer for the upgrade. This process may take several minutes depending on your PC's performance. Please wait patiently and do not close the command prompt window while the process is running. After a few moments, the Windows 11 setup window will appear. Click Next to continue. The setup may check for available updates and verify your computer before continuing. This is completely normal and may take a little time. Once the checking process is complete, click Accept to agree to Microsoft's license terms. On the next screen, you'll see the option to choose what you want to keep during the upgrade. Select the Keep Personal Files and Apps option. This will preserve your documents, installed software, and most of your Windows settings after the upgrade. After selecting this option, click Next. Windows will now perform another compatibility check. If your PC passes the required checks, you'll see that it's ready to install Windows 11. Click the Install button to begin the upgrade. At this stage, Windows will start copying files, installing new features, and configuring your system. This process can take anywhere from 30 minutes to over an hour, depending on your computer's hardware. During the installation, your computer will restart several times. Don't press any keys. Close the lid of your laptop, or turn off the power while the installation is in progress. Interrupting the installation could cause problems with your Windows installation. Once the installation is complete, your computer will restart one final time and boot into Windows 11. Sign in using your Windows account. After a few moments, Windows will finish setting everything up. You'll then see your Windows 11 desktop with your personal files, installed applications, and settings still available. Take a few minutes to let Windows complete any background setup tasks before you start using your computer normally. You can now enjoy the new Windows 11 interface, updated features, and improved performance. And that's it. If you liked the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.